Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Spider-Man Miles Morales and remastered crash fix and save not loading problem. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select yes. And now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. And then copy the text used in my video. Just check my video description and then right click on the right side. Make sure you selected the graphics drivers. On right side, just right click and select new and select deboard 32-bit value and name this value. Just copy and paste it and then just press enter, double click on it, change this value data to 0 and click on OK. And again, copy the second text and right click on the blank area and select new and select that deboard 32-bit value. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Double click on it and set this value data to decimal and set value data to 10 and click on OK. And then just close stuff here and restart your PC. This can help Spider-Man Miles Morales and remastered crash and save not loading issues. Don't forget to like guys. Thank you.